So today we are going to be making our very own DIY vision boards, which are also known as inspiration boards, and this is going to really help you achieve your goals in 2018. Vision boards are a great way to visualize your dreams and make your goals come true. You have to know your goal in order to achieve it, and when you focus on things that you see every day, it's going to help you visualize what you need to do, and also your subconscious mind is going to figure out how to get there, which is going to help you to actually make your dreams come true. So remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it. Step one is actually finding the images to use for your vision board. You can use magazines or you can search the images through Google. So what I did is I just typed in the items and the images that I wanted to look for using Google, and then I drag and dropped them into a Google Doc like so. And as you can see, it's really easy. You have a ton of different options. You can really find the exact type of photo, which might even make it easier and better than using magazines, depending on your preferences. So just keep on looking, and then you will also be able to modify the size when you put it into your Google Doc. And once you have compiled all of the images, you're going to save the file as a PDF so that you can actually print it out and everything will be where you put it. So just like I'm doing here, and then it will download, and from here, if you have a color printer, you can go ahead and print it. Otherwise, I just went to the library and printed it in color. Step two is to gather your supplies. You can get these things from the dollar store. I got this construction board. You'll need scissors and then your printed images, or if you're using magazines, the magazine cutouts. The next step is to actually cut out your images how you want them. So using your scissors, you'll just either cut around the design, or you can get really detailed and cut directly on the line of the image. Totally up to you and how you want your vision board to look. My theme is kind of healthy living, healthy eating and fitness, and also just everything related to well-being. And then once you have cut everything out, it should look like a group of nice images that you can move around and organize. Step four is to actually just place the images onto your board and kind of organize them and see how you want to position them. So if you want there to be space, or if you want them to be extremely close up, and then it also gives you a chance to change things up if you don't like how it looks, so that way you're not committed to placing them on the board and then figuring out that you don't like how they look. And once you finally have figured out exactly where you want your images, it's time to glue them in place. If you have a preference, you can totally use pins or even tape if you want. And then from there, you have your very own DIY vision board. You can basically add to it as you go, or you can leave it as is. So that is my vision board. You can make your vision board for all sorts of things. You can do financial vision boards, you can do health related vision boards, travel, family, etc. Or you can organize your goals all together in one giant vision board. Now remember to place your inspiration vision board somewhere that you're going to see it every day, preferably right when you wake up and right when you go to bed. So that way, when you go to sleep, you will be able to subconsciously start determining how you're going to make your goals come true, and when you wake up, you will be reminded of what you are trying to achieve. So that is my video. Please do comment if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Alright guys, bye!